How to fix Windows Update error 0x8007370D.
Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration.
The repair process of corrupted files can resolve issues preventing Windows Update from running smoothly by repairing any damaged files that might be causing the error.
Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
the Windows Update Troubleshooter is a tool designed to diagnose and fix common issues with Windows Update. It can automatically identify and resolve problems that are hindering the update process.
Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
Resetting Windows Update components involves stopping the Windows Update service, renaming certain folders to clear the update cache, and then restarting the service. This can help resolve issues by starting the update process afresh. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter.
Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed.
Disk Cleanup is a utility that removes unnecessary files from your hard drive, potentially resolving issues that prevent Windows Update from downloading or installing updates by freeing up space.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.